friends, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how we can make any video to upload on our YouTube, and there is so many apps to make such type of video, but I'm going to use Filmorago. Okay friends, uh, so I'm going to show you. You can download these apps easily from your Play Store. When you will download and open, such type of screen will be appear in front of you. The first one for beginner who is new, and another one for old. Maybe this after you make any video and you go back, then again if you need to see this video, you can go in this project. This is my save. Okay friends, and you can by clicking on this here, you can edit your video again, and you can play from here. There is so many options. So I will give you example from starting or beginning. So let's start. I'm going to click on create new video. After a click, there is so many options upside, you can see here. Okay, you can take from any sources from above available option. You can use video and you can use photo to make a video, and also there's more option upside, but I'm going to take photo option. I will also show for video option. Okay, so I just take this one, Grtime. Okay, I take this logo. After you take, it will be here, then click next, then your video will be here. Okay, then this is, you can play from here. This upside first option for theme. If you will click here, there is so many option. By using this one, you can give to your video music also. Okay, just click here upside none, and your left top. This is second option for music. If there is already available music, you can reduce, and also you can add. Example, I want to change this music tone, so I will just click okay. When you play this one, you can change. So from here you can change your music option. Then the another I take one music for this one because I have to show you something. Save this one, or I just put here. Okay friends, after then music, you can add any music from here. Then transist, for this one you need two picture. Okay, you want to join any two picture, then there is option how you can join two picture. By there is option. Okay, same like this one there is option. I don't have two picture, but I will take one to you for give example. I take a screenshot for this. Okay, I just take screenshot for this screen, then I will show you how. And I go here downside to add another picture here, then I go to photo, then I just select my screenshot. Okay, now it's came. Then next. Okay, now you can see here downside there is two available. Okay, after then just click on transition. Okay, transitions, then you can give any effect from here. Example, if I give here this effect, you can see this effect. Okay, or you can see, there is so many options. Okay, but you can give any effect to your video. Okay friends, now for next option, there is another option for ratio. By using this option, you can cut your video border Example, I press here left up first one. Now you can see this area has become empty. Then again I put here, now it's became large, then again small, and downside also same option using for window. Okay, this is also for window. You can cut. You can take any video. Then the last one is blur. You can see there is upside black available in this place and here. If you will click here, you will see now it's became blur. Okay, this is for option blur for your border screen. Now for next option, we don't need, just I go back, or if you need you can save. Then now you know all this option. There is 3 option for screen, and from above themes, music, transitions, ratio, you know now. Then the another option for edit, this is last option. There is so many options downside. Okay, I will give you information one by one. The first one is for durations. Duration means timing. You can add your timing from here. Okay, beginning and ending time, you want to make fast, slow. Okay, now I make 9. If I click OK, okay friends, if you want to change just to click OK. So this is for timing. Then the another option for subtitle. If you want to put any name or anything, now this is wide screen so you cannot see, but here you will see. If your background will be color, there is one box to add your title and write something. So I just double click on this title. From here I will write how are you. Okay friends, so I just write this one. You can choose your color also. We have already white background, so I choose red. Okay, then you can choose your font also. There is option for font if you want to change font. Okay friends, after then just OK, and you can see here this area, you can increase your size. Now it's font not change, but wait, should be click on same button. Now you can see it's changed. Okay friends, after then I just make it small because it's not showing my full, but it will show, don't worry. You have to work one by one because maybe this is double. Yes, after then you can give effect from your left sides available this type of option. Example, if you want to give this one or this one, there is so many options. By using this one you can give good effect to your video or You can say if you want to show any message between your video, and this is the option where you want to show this video or this title. If you will reduce this one, you will see only this place. Okay, now start. Now you will see it's available. Now it's came, then it's go. So this, if you will click here in downside name, it will show you the cursor where you want to put this title from where to where. Okay, if you will put last, this video will be until last, after finish. Starting then until last, you will see this title. Okay friends, after then just okay if you need. Now subtitle, you know, another option for peep, same option. You can use any image, as I show you before how to put title or subtitle. This is same option but for image. If you want to put any image, example I take same image, you can make it small and you can put any place, up or down, and I just put or this place, I just put okay. Wait, I will give you wait, this one. You can select from here more translation, but I want to take new picture for you, so just wait. I just take this screenshot again, or you can see this one. I just take new picture for you and I go back again, in this option Filmora. Then I don't want this one, I just click here, same, go edit option, click on peep and select this option. From here you can remove this option and click on add plus, then you can put anyone new. So just think this is new, any image whatever you want to put in your video, and from here you can make small and you can put anywhere. If you this message also you can put anywhere, and this same downside where you want to show this message, example from here to here or only in last, just select okay, then it will be done in same place. Okay, now I play from starting. Now you can see upside it's came. So this is option for. Now there's another option for voice over. This option, maybe you want to talk something or you want to edit your voice also between the video, then you can tap here and give any type of suggestion or whatever. After then okay. The another one options voice over, by clicking here. How are you? If I put this one, then I put okay, then you will see. Same option, sorry, I already informed you. You already listen my voice, okay, it's came between the video. The another option for filters, if you will click here filter, there is so many effect, you can give any effect to your image, then okay. Then overlays, same option, maybe you want to give same type of intro by using this option. You can see there is upside small stars, it's looking very good. There is one option, you can use this one. Okay friends, then another option for element, this is also, there is some effect, you can give an effect to your video, such types of. After that there is also for titles, there is also some option, you know, it's if you want to give any attractive titles, you can use this option. Okay, because you can also edit font or you can edit your text here. Example, I take this one. You can put here anything. Just I put my intro. I just put this word. Okay, then I go back and I select OK. So I come my videos. Okay, and I put it's here. Say my video option. Okay friends, after then this is save. You want to increase or down, it's depend on. If you want to increase the size, you can increase, you can decrease from here. Okay, but you cannot move this character because it is fixed. Okay, after then if you need, just press OK. If you don't need, put cancel. Then the another option, tiles, I already informed you. Rotate, this is for screen rotate. You can rotate your screen. Okay, and there is also so many options. You can flip also, you can your screen you can rotate. Okay, by using the option. After then there is option for adjust. If you want to give any contrast or color to your video or image, you can give from here. Okay, these all are same option for adjust. There is so many option you can use. Okay, which is suitable for your video. Then the last one for duplicate. If you want to make any duplicate, it will create duplicate for your videos. Okay, you can see there is 2 layer from here. Okay, you can work with anyone. If you want to delete, just click here, delete. It will be go delete. Now you have only one. Okay friends, after make all, just press here OK. Okay, then save. It will take few time. In the last time also, when your video will be saved, this Filmorago apps, it will put his apps. But don't worry, in my next video I will show you how we can remove this watermark also. Okay friends, after then click here save to camera roll, then your video will be saved here. Okay friends, now our video is already saved. Now if you want to see, as I told you before, there is second option for our save project. If you will open this one, what we made here. Okay.